Hello! I'm back! We're here in Don Mills. First time here in Don Mills.
Maliit lang.
Yeah, we go to CNC Supermarket. Don Mills. Ayan ang Fambam. CNC there. We're going to go there. Baka dito na kami mag-lunch kasi may Pho and Bo, Sorrento Italian Kitchen, Kinton Ramen, Swiss Chalet. So, nandito kami. Yan ang Fambam. Pero malamig. Pero malamig. Kailangan ko na magpaano ng hair. My hair. Yan ang aking ka-date. Tatawa siya. Malamig. Nandito na po kami. First time here. More on Chinese food. Kaya hindi lang alam namin kung anong mabibili namin. Special offer, grain rice, $12.88. Kaya hindi namin alam. Titingin tayo ng Yakult. Yakult ang dinayo, no? Yan. Anong gusto mong lutuin? What? Oo, ganun din. Ay, parang hindi. Cut yata.
Baka naman, galit ka na. Hindi sagab yung puso dito.
Yan, $8.94. Oh, masarap tong pang ano.
Plate kasi?
Yeah, naka-play talaga ako. Kung gusto mong ano lang, puil. Puil yan eh. Yung ano. Okay. Ayan po ang aming nabili. Yakult. Ito na yung mga Filipino. Red and juicy. But it's not, ano. Portosino, beef tapa, mais, $2.99. Ayan, oh. Mara is eating, what's that? Push pop? Push pop. We're here in Kinton Ramen. Kinton Ramen. That's the beef. And Mara, what do you have? Chicken? Chicken. And French fries. And that's beef. And then that's extra spicy. Kain tayo!